The process is mid-sole boarding. Through 114 temperature, it's easy to boarding soles. Use the machine, combine the upper with the shoe nose. Then, through the hot temperature, we can repair the upper of the shoe. The process is pull out the layer. It improves our customers more safety and quality. The process is clean the upper of the shoes and painting the leather. Through the high temperature, clean the shoes. The last one, they polish the surface of the shoe. And the process is polish the surface of the shoes and the handle of the shoes of the shoe. The process is boarding the sole and the surface of the shoes. Through 3 times the glue boarding and through the high temperature. Then well done. The next step, let the sole of the shoes and the upper combine perfectly. Clean the shoes and handle the surface. The last one, cooling the shoes and they clean the shoes, then well done. This is our quality inspection department. They check the shoes, check the surface of the shoes, whether the shoes is correct corner and the sole is correct. We can guarantee your shoes safety and the quality, and make the shoes is very well deliver your hands. That's all. They are checking the symbols of the quality. The sole, the upper, and in the sole. We can tender the shoes.